Yes, Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel, AR Trainings Official. So today we are going to learn how to harness the power of dynamic waves modifier in Blender. This tutorial will guide you through the process of applying and manipulating the dynamic waves modifier to achieve stunning wave effects that add depth and authenticity to your scenes. Furthermore, you will discover how to fine tune every aspect of your waves to suit your artistic vision. And by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and skills to bring dynamic wave surfaces to life in your Blender creation. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, so let's open Blender and simply with the help of Shift A, go to the mesh and add a simple plane. Now go to the edit mode and scale it a little bit. Go to the edit mode and subdivide it in multiple times according to your needs, right? So let's go to edit mode, right click and subdivide it. I think it should be 100 number of cuts. Okay, so get back to the object mode again, right? Now here I'm using a Blender Kit add-on for models and some textures. So it doesn't matter if you want to use Blender Kit or add-on, you can download it from the Google. Okay, so let's add some duck to the scene. So now let's go to the dynamic paint and your plane would be as canvas, add canvas, and then simply in the surface option change paint to waves. Okay, now select the duck or your model, again go to dynamic paint, change to brush and add brush. Okay, so the concept is simple. The duck is your brush and the plane is your canvas, so brush and canvas. Okay, right. So now let's play the animation. Now you can see the magic. Here it is. So simple as that. You can place your models right here and there and these waves will appear like it. Okay, so the concept is simple. The brush and the canvas, the brush and the canvas, right? Now go to the shader editor or material tab, split the window like this, go to the shader editor and add bump, noise and color ramp and mix shader. Sorry, I think color ramp. Okay, search for color ramp, noise and bump and plug into the principal BSDF. It will add realism to your scene, right? You can play with the settings even more in detail so that you can get a better idea how to use these node system in Blender. I repeat, noise node, bump and color ramp, these three will definitely get some magic here. Okay, so here's the final result. I think it is I've tried my best to keep it as simple as possible. So if you have any query related to this tutorial, you can reach me out through my WhatsApp, email, or you can comment below, right? So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting informative tutorials are uploading very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.